Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the part 3 of the material editor. So this is part 3. Today we will learn how to apply textures on the 3D object. So previously you learned about that how to apply materials. Let's say today we will learn about how to apply textures. Okay. Let's say I'll have to make a box, let's say length 1 meter, 1 meter by 1 meter. Okay, and then here is a cylinder, some sort of oops, okay, sphere, and or a teapot. Okay, kind of a teapot here. Max teapot. This is very famous actually, by the way. This is max teapot. Okay, so far what we learned that let's say go for M and apply the default material, and also apply the this one, also apply the material, change the color. Let's say the teapot is okay, go for TEAPOT, and this one is the box, box. Okay, rename that, and change the color to, let's say, this one, and change the color to this one. Okay, so far we have learned this, right? We have learned this so far. Okay, right now we have to apply texture on it. So what is textures? Textures is is like you know something, so let's say it's an image. You can wrap it around the object. I mean, if you want to make it like a concrete, so concrete texture, apply the concrete texture. If you want to make it glass, so put on glass texture or material. Okay, if you want to make it a brick texture, so put on brick material. Cloth, so brick cloth materials, so it will behave like that. Okay, yeah, right now these objects, this one and this one, is no texture applied on it. Okay, so what can we do? How can we find the texture? We can find from through the Google image, and through the internet, and also you can apply from a photo. On no matter how can you find a texture. Actually, it's a simple JPG or PNG image you can apply. Okay, so let's say yeah, let's say you see in my on my folder, let's say I have these textures. Okay, I have this texture. This is a cross UV checker, the pattern texture, and this one is a kind of a grass texture. This one is pattern texture, brick concrete texture. This one is army texture, cloth texture. Okay, so let's say we have to assign that. Okay, how can we do that? Let's say this one. You go for the material editor. Okay, select that, and you go for this is the diffuse color. Like, you go for this box, click on this box, so another box is appearing, and you must see a bitmap section. You see the bitmap section. You go for the bitmap section, double click on it, and then a dialog box appearing, searching for your bitmap. Okay, So let's say you go for this works and 3D models, okay, and texture asset, okay. Yeah, this is the texture where you have to find the texture, the applied texture, where is the texture is, okay. Let's say the checker pattern, this one, let's say this one, you select and open. As soon as you open, you see the texture is applied on the material. You see the texture is applied on the material, okay. And then when you assign this material to the selection, the teapot will be wrapped around with the texture. Click. Oh, okay. Click. Okay. Let's say something wrong happens, that you click but not showing. You see this one, show shaded material in the viewport. Click on that. You see you see yeah, you see yes, yes, okay. So this is kind of a, teapot texture. Or you can do, let's say okay, okay, mm, okay. And this one is, let's say, I'll put a kind of a concrete texture, floor one, something this. Yes, you see, this one is okay, but this one a bit, squishy. I think it's a bit squishy because of, it's not properly square. So what we can do, let's say we have to go to there. mm, Here we can find a kind of UV layout. I mean, we have to fix the length and width of the texture. Yes, yes. You see the tiling. Okay, okay. Uh, let's say we can fix this by UVW angle viewport. Let's say -20. Okay. So right now something is done. Okay. Or let's say we can put a complete grass material. You can you can deselect them, you can clear them, you can clear, apply another texture. Let's say this grass, okay, green grass, apply textures, okay. You see hmm. And this one, you go up and assign M to deselect that. Right click, clear. You see, they click on M. You take the cursor on M, right click, clear. Oh no, not this one, this one. You go up from here, you right click, clear, okay. Then you put another texture. Let's say this red concrete, okay. assign the texture, click. Okay, you see this one, and this one is green, by the way. You see, this is a simple way to put the texture. So right now it is a concrete box. It is a concrete box. The texture is applied. Texture is applied through this. Okay, okay, okay. By the way, you can still apply the glossiness and all that things. Okay, the shiness and all that. Okay, just like this. Okay, so you can put whatever texture, whatever materials, no matter what you can put. You can put grass, you can put concrete, you can put metal, you can put anything. Okay, on this. So this is a simple way you learn that how to put the texture. And what are textures? Remember, textures are the image file or JPG file that you can put on the 3D objects for your 3D scene. Okay, so this is part 3 completing. I will show you some advanced way for texturing in the part 4. Hope you are enjoying. So keep supporting me, keep supporting my channel, and stay connected. Thank you. If you have any questions, if you have anything, just text me, and just comment me and give it a like if you are actually having it's helpful, actually learning. So please share it with your friends and help me grow my channel. Actually, thank you very much.